Assalamualaikum and good morning. This video is about group assignment for subject Btmp 1063 Human Resource Management and Technology.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now I want to present about introduction. Human resource position are very important in organization. It is because demand will change according to trend from time to time and only focus on recruitment management but also on financial, technical, responsible and solving problem and finding alternative related to employees affairs, formulating and succeeding in strategic planning at the in time. Human resource management is a function in organization designed to manage employee performance in the service of their employees' strategic objective. The role of human resource management is to plan, development and administer policy. Ensure the program designed to use the organization's human resource optimally. Human resource management system is a set of software application used to manage human resource related process talk out the life cycle of employees. Human resource management system allow a company to fully understand its workforce while remaining compliant with changing tech law and labor regulation. Human resource information system is an integrated system used to gather, store and analyze information regarding an organization human resource. The scope, limitation and importance of the project sample. First, the scope. The main objective of this project sample is to gain an understanding of employees' health and safety in organization. The importance of employee health and safety policy measure to promote good health condition among employees and measure to promote safety among employees. The limitation is among the limitation found in this study are the issue and challenge affecting the implementation of strategy establishment and employees initiative in Nexus LED. In addition, in the role and contribution of human resource in guiding or supporting organization effort is strategic positioning and rewarding employees. Finally, source of information that guide organization in formulating action or policy in strategic staffing and employees remuneration. And the last, the importance. Efficient and optimal workplace health and safety not only ensure happy and productive employees, it can therefore also ensure and help to minimize to expenses incurred. It is human and business costs.
Our project statement will describe the priorities and project work result required to succeed in this coursework. The scope statement depends on the group researcher understanding and knowledge, specifically against the stakeholder in the Nexus Electronics neighborhood and describe the result related to the company. This assignment also focuses on strategic initiative in staffing and remunerating employee issues and the challenge of implementing the strategic initiative, the role and contribution and the information source that used by the organization. Nexus Electronics Berhad is a manufacturing company based on the production of electronic LED lighting. The location of this company is number 8 and 10 Jalan Sri Solong Selatan, Taman Industri Sri Solong 8300 Batu Pahat, Johor. Within a country, Nexus Electronics Berhad have around 200 employees. Nexus Electronics Berhad vision is to introduce environmentally friendly product through extensive research and development effort. The mission statement is to specialize in the design, manufacture, and marketing of modern LED based on lightning product. And the motto of Nexus LED is simple is better. The company has several branches, especially in China, Indonesia, Vietnam, and Malaysia. Nexus Electronic owns a few manufacturing locations, which include BGI and Para in Dongguan and Guangdong, China, Nexus LED Cahaya Lestari in Medan, Indonesia, QD in Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam, Nexus and Pure Space in Batu Pahat, Johor, Malaysia, and CWS in USA. So this is our company history. Actually, our company has established in 2002 and operate the business in the same year. From 2002 until 2012, the company only focused on manufacturing and R&D because the company want to produce the LED based lightning product. So in 2006, the first branches have appeared, especially Nexus branches, which is Outlook Technology and operate the business in Kuala Lumpur. And in 2008 was big achievement for company because they have reached 10 million sales from the division sales. And from 2012 until 2020, the company just focus on straight light manufacturing. They only focus on straight lightning sales and R&D, and the profit they sell, and many petrol company have buy the product and services by the Nexus. So this is our manufacturing capability with a vertically integrated approach to manufacturing. The Nexus assemble the product in-house, especially in Johor, with unparalleled commitment to quality and dedication to our customer. In addition to LED luminary assembly, our manufacturing process include high volume and high speed automated assembly of all LED circuit board, driver, and controller used in our product. So the capability we can see in the diagram, which is the capability in brainstorming, R&D, IQA, and QQA, quality control, flexibly assembly line, precise and fast LED mounting machine, 4 to 6 hour aging process, barcode control on product, and humidity control storage. So this is our customer base, especially within in country. Our customer base is from Standard Chartered, Sunview Hotel and Resort, Pavilion, Shell, McDonald, 99 Speedmart, UOB, Petron, Daiso Japan, BHP Petro, Caltech, Petronas, and many more. Okay, this is a Nexus company product. Especially the company have some two base product, which is indoor and outdoor luminary. So in the page we can see the indoor luminary include downlight series, hybrid series, UCL series, LED tube, and panel light. Especially this used for home users. And for outdoor luminary we have straight light series, floodlight, height mask, and digital display. Strategic initiative in staffing and remunerating employee at Nexus company. Strategic initiatives are a complete plan that the organization determines to achieve the strategic goal or long-term improvement view. Strategic initiative also can be defined as how an organization translates its goals and vision into practice. To stay ahead of the competition, company need to systematically build a portfolio strategic initiative. To adapt to a continuously changing environment, organizations are evolving their business objective, processes, and operation through various strategic initiatives. In this context, it is imperative for organizations to continuously monitor their performance and adjust when there is a need or an opportunity to do so. Nexus Electronics Neighborhood focus is to provide the right solution for long-term partnership that offer competitive value and provide the best order lead time and quality. We will evaluate the strategic initiative from Nexus regarding the staffing and remunerating employee. Number one is staffing. Basically, to establish the staffing needed will involve the staffing process. The staffing process is the function of employee recruitment, screening, and selection performance within an organization or business to fill the job openings. The purpose of staffing is to simultaneously help the job seeker to find a job and find a qualified candidate for an open position in a company. The Nexus Electronic as open interview. The Nexus Electronic as open interview in recruiting employee and will advertise vacancy to the local community. This allows the community to be aware of the vacancy and interested in filling the position offered by the company. Typically, Nexus will hire employee in a large number depending on the needs, vacancy, and requirement of the job. Number two is remunerating employee. Everyone works for reward either in the form of predetermined salaries, wages, or some other benefits, or any bonus and remuneration for certain performance. Individuals seek to be compensated fairly and are only satisfied if they get the reward expected of their achievement. This shows that payroll greatly affects employee achievement by influencing employee attitude. So it's a close gap between employee behavior with the salary that they want because remuneration affects employee attitude. Number one is financial reward. The financial reward offered by Nexus Electronics Neighborhood is salary, allowance, and wage. Number two, non-financial reward. Non-financial reward also has give some privilege to their employee through non-financial reward. Non-financial reward incentive are the type of reward that are not part of an employee pay. The non-financial reward as offered by Nexus are job position promotion, sick leave, maternity leave, gathering day, dinner with employee, travel vacation, and many more. And the last is remunerating technical manager. The role of a technical manager is a hybrid role that focuses on leading a team and working hands-on with projects involving technology. The technical manager oversees a company, computer and information system to keep everything running and may make improvement to system as needed. Nexus company offers the position to reward which are the salary and position promotion.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Amirul Ashraf Benansha. Today, I would like to discuss about issues and challenges. The first issue is about the manager of the company who chose law. The company manager promoted his contact for successfully increasing the sales result and profit, while his contact were not so productive when working, but rather the effort of a quality employee who had achieved the company objective. Second is about salary payment issue. According to HR info or employees of the company, there is an issue of salary payment that are not fully paid to employees, or employees do not get paid on time that the company promised because employer cannot afford to pay enough wages to their employees. Third is the issue of company productivity is affected. The chain to obtain raw material is always cut off because of managers who do not care about the raw supply, which has impacted the company productivity due to the slow in obtaining the supply of raw material that have been ordered in China. Fourth is issue of undisciplined employees. This is said to be because employees hired by the company are unprofessional and irresponsible and often come late and do not do their job well. Fifth is unrecorded overtime issue. The company supervisor does not record the time or when the employee take more time to work and cause employee who work overtime not get paid more as desired because there is no record or proof of them working overtime. Next is about challenges. The first challenge is finding quality worker. Finding worker of caliber and quality is very difficult for companies as most of these workers often look for a job abroad. Second is provide training to employees. Because employers expect to their new employees to know how to use the machine without having to ask them or not wanting to waste the company monies to provide them with intensive training. Third is applying technology in company. The company is still newly established and the company's employer do not have enough capital to purchase technological equipment such as monitor, unit processing unit, printer, and so on. First is take care of product quality. Because some employees recklessly do their job and do not focus on trustness in producing the product. Fifth is forming disciplined employees. If the quality of the product is very unsatisfactory, QC will block the resulting product from being sold. That's all from me. Thank you. Next is about human resource role and contribution in guiding or supporting the organization's efforts. First is about recruit and hire new employees. To hire a new person, HR manager typically need to write and post a job advertisement, review resume and background candidates, pre-screen candidate and administer skills test, interview applicant, discuss benefit and compensation, make a hiring decision and make an employment offer. Second is about manage training and development initiative. This is beneficial for everyone. The company can define their exact need and train employees in a specific method they like to use, and employees feel more engaged and more motivated to succeed as they see that their talents are recognized and valued. Third is about employee relations. HR professionals are responsible for resolving any issue or dispute among employees, and HR professionals need to view all employees as stakeholders and primary contributors to the company's success. Fourth is about design workplace policy. HR managers need to design the workplace policy to reduce conflict and legal issues and improve employee productivity. Final is about maintain employee discipline and productivity. Discipline in work is also branch completeness and relationship between employees again term and contract of service in employment. For example, meeting between supervisor and employees are an opportunity to discuss ways to improve employees' performance.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Faiz bin Ghazali with the metric number of B062110561. Right now I'll be presenting the human resource HR roles and contributions in guiding or supporting the organization's effort in strategic staffing and organizing employees. Before that, I want to apologize that I'm presenting the part different from my group member. This is due certain issues happening. But anyway, I will add additional info about this part. The roles. What are the roles? HR have the role to promote, provide, and model. The terms promote is to promote a culture, a proper culture appropriate with the workplace, to provide support through employee engagement, and model to give them uh, a proper model for to work on. And HR have the roles such as recruitment, and which is compulsory requirement. As we know, companies have turnover rates happen each year annually, so recruitment is a requirement thing. HR analyze the position required, making a proper discussion and manage the finance before advertising the recruitment. And the role would be HR initiating employee relations as employee engagement. This is to create effective strategies in place and create a better work culture. They have to maintain the safety and the health of the workplace. This is coinciding with our group assignment, which is the practice of the OSSH program. The practice of OSSH program is commonly used in companies as it protects all the general public who may be affected by the occupational environment. And HR also has the role to compensate and remunerate towards the employee. This is to provide basic attention to an employee to perform job efficiently and effectively. Contributions. What are the contributions? Okay, the contributions is efforts in strategic planning and articulating the alignment around the organization's visions and values as the foundation for strategy. To keep the alignment around the organization's visions and values as a solid foundation for the strategy. Around the organization's visions and values as the foundation for strategy. That's about it. And this is to practice a proper and functional culture. To make an illustration, the companies we interviewed, Nexus company, puts a huge concern and strict on employees' attendance. So there will be a culture for the employees to be uh, disciplined about the attendance. The efforts in remunerating employees are the HR's good judgment, and they stick to agreement, making the employees appreciate the attention given to them. The compensation for any additional work, like overtime, uh, there must be agreement between the employee and the management. And if things were fulfilled, in fact, it will make them feel comfortable to continue serving in the company and interested in contributing to the improvement and progress of the company. That's all for me. Thank you very much.
Hi, my name is Malini Jebalan. Now I'm going to present about information sources that guide Nexus Electronic STN BHT in formulating employees, in strategic staffing and remunerating employees. Safety and health policy established to the objective for workplace, occupational health and safety works. Procedures and policies for health and safety should be evaluated on a basis to ensure that they are current and effective to protecting workers. Nexus Electronic SDN BHT executed important or mandatory workplace safety policy for all employees in accordance with Occupational Safety and Health, which is OSH. In safety policy, there are two types of policy they are implemented, which is preventative action and emergency management. Preventative action is taken to reduce workplace injuries. To avoid the injuries, Nexus Electronic SDN VHT conduct monthly risk assessment and work asset to analyze and determine what is likely to hurt. Secondly, emergency management. Emergency management is refers to like floods, fire, earthquake or explosion. This emergency management involves some profession which is maintenance supervisor inspecting some alarms and sprinkle as a regular basis. Technicians are promptly repair leaks, damages, blackouts. According to the health policy, Nexus Electronic Exchange BHT implemented two types, which is prohibiting tobacco alcohol use at workplace. This policy is with the aim of improve the health and well-being of its employees. It's to make sure the employees are in a safe and healthier. Secondly, require good food or healthy food to be served in their company. This is because workers must eat full of nutritious food in the company cafeteria. This is because the workers can get the full energy to do the work.
Recommendations. Firstly, workers and supervisors must be taught to keep a healthy and safety mindset. This mindset is not usually accompanied by knowledge in terms of equipment use. A mature attitude is necessary. Employers are required to establish and maintain safe and healthy systems of work to ensure their health and safety. Employees should use all materials and equipment to avoid harmful situations. Secondly, organizations should have law requiring workplace safety and health. With the birth of regulation and employment, employers were required to provide satisfactory working environment. This can lead to clarify and enhance the responsibilities of employers to self-employed employees and other parties in relation to safety and health at workplace. Thirdly, employers should provide safety equipment at workplace in the organizations. Work system design may have effect on physical health and mental health. Managers and supervisors must serve as role models for the safety programs. Employers should ask for employee suggestions for improving safety equipment at the workplace so that they can reduce the risk from harmful situations. Conclusion. Firstly, the main problem often faced by Nexus Electronics Sdn Bhd is the attendance of the workers. Human resource management will be given counseling for the workers who often absent to workplace and give warning letters for the workers. Secondly, workplace conditions can affect employees at a physical, mental, or emotional level and enhance or harm their well-being. Work environment can also influence employees' mental health and stress levels. Work-related factors that affect worker well-being include job demand and pressures, degree of autonomy and flexibility, quality of interactions with supervisors and co-workers, frequency of shift work, and length of the workday. Thirdly, human resource information system is an excellent tool for human resource planning. It enhances job position in an organization. It also provides organizational training needs, select right person to be trained, and evaluate the training program. Lastly, rapid and profound changes anticipated in the future of work will have significant implications for the education and training of occupational safety and health professionals and the workforce. Preparing for these changes is critical to developing proactive systems that can protect workers, prevent injury and illness, and promote worker well-being.